A trust modification is where there's already an existing trust that you want to modify. You may want to change the terms, you may want to update it, maybe you have new wishes that you'd like to put in place. Most trusts can be amended, but not all trusts can be amended. It really depends on several factors. One of the things that we would talk about in an initial consultation would be reviewing the trust to see whether it can be amended or not. Revocable trusts can be amended under certain circumstances. Irrevocable trusts are typically the kind that cannot be easily amended, but there are circumstances where those can be modified or terminated. We definitely recommend that you would use an attorney if you need to amend or modify your trust. One reason is there's certain language that we would put into an amendment so that it is not easily contested and challenged later down the road. And there's definitely some things that we would want to think through in terms of how to make the amendment efficient and really accomplish what you want. We have a lot of experience with trust modification and amendment. We've had our Morgan Law Group for over 20 years, and many of our own clients have come back and their wishes have changed over the years. We do 3-year review meetings for all of our clients, so a lot of times we expect or anticipate that a living trust is a living document, and as time goes by, things may change with your assets or with your family relationships or with your own wishes. And so we do a lot of trust amendments and trust updates. And also when a family has used another attorney, they may come to us and we can update or modify their existing trust. The reason someone would hire our firm to be their estate planning attorney is, first off, we do everything by flat fee agreed upon in advance. That way we don't have to do hourly billing and we can have the kind of conversation that I think is important to have with your family trust attorney. Second, we make the process as easy as possible for you. A lot of the families we work with value ease and efficiency. They're busy, and systems that we have in place are designed to make the process smooth. We typically have your planning ready for you to sign in about 4 to 6 weeks, and we have a team in place to support you along the way. Third, we really look at this as the beginning of a lifetime relationship with our firm. We have 3-year review meetings and other communications with our clients, webinars for our clients, so that we can really develop that kind of lifetime relationship. We make it really easy for you to check out what our current and past clients have said about us and the experience that they've had with our firm, and it's right on our website. Client communication is very important to us, and that's why we have a team in place so that we can better support you in terms of responding to your questions. Typically, we would get back to you within 24 hours, and we also respond by email or by chat. That way we can make sure that we're being responsive. We are a boutique style firm, which means that we're a small team that works together closely so that we can be most responsive to our clients. So what you can expect in your initial consultation when you have an existing trust or estate plan that you'd like to update or amend is we usually ask to see your existing plan in advance so that we can review it. We also have some homework. That way you can be prepared, we can be prepared to have a really productive time together. And in that first meeting, we sit down, we start with today. If something happened today with the plan that you have in place right now, with the assets and the family members that you have, what would happen next? That way we can talk about what do you like about that? What would you want to see different than what your existing plan does? And we can make recommendations based upon any changes in the law or what we see with your assets or your family members and having that conversation.